Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Exp19 Assess App Capstone Student Loan 1.0. This is the assignment, final assignment of Assess for chapter course. Here I am going to do some part of this assignment for you, and if you want me to solve this full assignment for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this full assignment for you. First of all, we will look at the project description. What is he is saying in project description and what is required. QL Financial Services has recently started working with student loans. You will build a company database, the initial set of finance student loans, and stored in an Excel spreadsheet. You may already compile the list of college and universities into Assess table. You will use your expertise to import the information from Excel, modify the table, create relationship, create queries, create forms, and create reports. So this is the this is basically what is required. What we have learned in all the 4 chapters of Assess Exp19 course, here we are going to practice all these. These are importing files from Excel to Assess, modifying table, creating relationship, creating queries, creating forms, and also creating reports. So here first we will look at the point number 1. The point number 1 is, to start, you have been provided with a database. The information technology department created the database has one table. You will be importing an Excel spreadsheet into table and creating a primary key. So this is what we are going to require. So here when we open this file, this has the 3 files. One is instruction file, one is the Excel file, and the third one is the Assess file. So we are having all these 3 files. So first of all, we have to open this Assess file. Student last name will be at the start of this assignment. Student name exp19. This is the assignment file, and it has only one table. The name of this table is college. So next we will start with point number 2. Point number 2, it is saying, let me make it a bit zoom for you so you can read it clearly. It is saying import the exploring ACAP grader A1 client XLS Excel workbook into table name clients. While importing the data, make sure the selected option first row contains column heading and the select client ID as primary field. So we have to do all these things. So this is our task. So here first of all we will make sure that it is located its location. So here this is Assess file. For connecting any these file or importing any these files from other format like Excel, Word, Assess, or any other, you can use this. For here we will select new database source from file. Look here, you can import Excel, HTML, XML text file. Simply database file Assess is your database DBase file and SQL. So here first we will require Excel file. So Excel, and now here we will select the location as it is located in my E drive. You can see here I have done all these courses EXP, all these chapter, and here is this one, the file. So here this is the file. We will select this file. Here there are the 3 options: import the source file into a new table in the current database, append a copy of the records. First, when we have table, we want to add all these files to that table, then we can add this, or simply import the source files into new current table. So here we will select OK. As you can see, we will select this first row contains column heading. This is client ID, last name, first name, address, city, state, and all. Make sure these becomes the column headings. These are the records that are in the table. Here we will select next. Nothing is required here. And next, let's see if they have asked us for primary key. It is saying client ID as primary key. So here we will select choose my own client ID. So here from here you can select any of these columns for your primary key. So here we will select next. And what is the table name? Table name is clients. So here we are going to type clients, and next we will make it finish, and next I will select and select close. As you can see, this is the step that is required. We have completed step number 2. Now you can see there are 2 tables here in the access database. Let's move to step number 3. In step number 3, let it make visible, highlight, and then make it a bit zoom. It is saying now that you have imported the data from the spreadsheet, you will modify the field properties in the client table and demonstrate sorting. So here we have imported the data into the client table, and now we are needed to modify or sorting of these data. It is saying open the client table in design view, change the client ID field size to 6 and remove @symbols from the client ID format property. Change the zip field size to 5, change the expected graduation field have 0 decimal place, delete the comment field, add a new field named last contact as the last field in the table, change the data type of date and time, and change the format to short date. Switch to datasheet view and apply best fit to all the columns. Sort the tables on the loan amount field in descending order, and then save and close. So here it is saying open the client table in design view. So this is our client table. I will just right click on it and select design view. Now you can see this is design view, and here these are all the fields that are in the client table. And next, what is saying, it is saying change the client ID field size to 6. So here the client ID field, you can see this is the field size is 255. Basically the size mean that how many characters or how many numbers you can add into this, mean that we can add 255 characters for this client ID field. Now we will limit it to only what it is saying 6. So here it will be only 6 characters ID. And now next we will remove the @sample that is already said here. Next it is saying change the zip field size to 5. So here this is zip file. As you can see, this is 255. We only needed 5 characters, so I have changed it to 5. Next it is saying change the expected graduation field to 0 decimal places. So this is expected graduation. As you can see, this is first is field size, format, and next is the decimal places. As you can see here, let it make let it make it on side, and here okay, yeah, here this is the field size, and it should be having 0 decimal places. So this is required to have 0 decimal places. Let me make a video size a bit small so I can assess all these options here. It is 0 decimal places. And next it is saying delete the comment field. So here you can see this is the comment field, and here I will select delete row and click yes. So it has been deleted. Next it is saying add a new field named last contact as the last field in the table. So here this is the, as you can see, this is the last one. So here we will type last contact, and it should be date and time. So here it is short text, we will change it to date and time. And next what it is saying, it should be format as short date. So this is format, we will click here and select here it as short date format. So this is also done. And next it is saying switch to datasheet view, apply best fit. And so here we will click on view here on the table design view, and we will change it to datasheet view. But as you know, we have made a lot of changes, so it want us to save this table. So we will click yes. It is saying the size of one or more fields have been changed to a shorter size if your data loss. Yes, we will click OK. As you can see, this client ID is now only 6 characters, so this is changed. And next it is saying apply best fit. Now you can see the places, the the space required for each field is maybe, and it is unable to display full field. So we will click here, it will select all files, and home tab, records, and here more, and this is the last field width, and we will select best fit. So as you can see that it has auto adjusted the length of all the fields according to the required size. Next it is saying sort the table on the loan amount field in descending order. So here we will go to loan amount. This is the loan amount, we will select it, or you can select from here descending order. As you can see, it has order in from the greater one to less one. Next we will save it and close it. So I have completed step number 3. Now I will move to step number 4. I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will provide good grades for you and will help you in doing this full assignment. Next is the step number 4. In step number 4, it is saying open the relationship window, add the clients and the college table to the window, and create one-to-many relationship between college ID field in the clients and college tables. Enforce rational integrity between these two tables and select cascade update and cascade delete option. Save the changes and close the relationship window. So here this is our access file. We will go to database, and here is the option of relationship. First we are required to add both the tables. You can select from here, or either you can select from here. Add, if this is not displaying, then you can select add tables. This will show both the tables, so I will just double click on this, so both the tables are shown there. Next I will close it. Next it is saying create one-to-many relationship between college ID field. So here this is the college ID field. I will connect the college ID field of the college table to client table. So this has been joined. Next what it is saying, enforce rational referential integrity. So here enforce referential integrity, and next it is saying cascade update and cascade delete, and next it is saying save the changes and close. So here I will just create, next I will save and close the relationship table. Basically the purpose of the relationship is that mean that you can change both the tables, or you can create link from one table to another table. Next we will move to step number 5. In step number 5, it is saying Polyester, a financial advisor, would like you to assist in helping her finding certain information. You will create a query for her and demonstrate how she can change the information. Create a new query using design view. From the client table, I add the last name, first name, email, phone, and expected graduation field in that order. From the college table, add college name field, sort the query by last name and then first name, both in ascending order. Change the criteria in the expected graduation field to 2019. Run the query, save the query as 2019 graduate. So here we will create a new query and design view. So here this is the SS file. We will go to create, and here this is the option query. I will select query design, and next I will add both the tables to query design. So both the tables have been added. What it is saying, add last name, first name, email, phone, and expected graduation field in that order from client table. So this is client table. First we will need to add last name. Double click on it, it will be added. First name. Next is email, phone. So this is email, phone. Next is the expected graduation. This is added, and expected graduation, and then from college table add college names. So here we will add college name, and next it is saying sort the query by last name and then first name in ascending order. So this is last name, sort, we'll select it ascending. First name, we will select it ascending, and set the criteria of expected graduation to 2019. So this is expected graduation year, and make sure you will write in criteria, and it should be 2019. So it will showing all the students who are graduating in 2019. Save the query as 2019 graduates. So here I will select save 2019. Graduates. I will click OK. Run this. This will show all the students that are graduating in 2019. Save it and close it. So step number 5 is done. Next is the step number 6. This assignment is consist of almost 11 points. So if you want me to do rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will provide full solution of this assignment, and will get you 100 marks in this assignment. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next is the goodbye. We'll hope to see you in next video. Goodbye.